Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your GMC Yukon oil light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate the driver information center. You'll want to scroll through the menu options until you locate the Oil Life display. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function. Once you've found the Oil Life display, press and hold the Set/Reset button. You'll need to keep this button pressed for several seconds. Watch the display carefully. The oil life percentage will change, indicating the reset is in progress. Once it shows 100%, you've successfully reset the system. This confirms your oil life monitor is now updated. For some GMC Yukon models, an alternative method involves the accelerator pedal. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and release it 3 times within a 5-second window. Finally, turn the ignition off, then start the engine to confirm the oil light has reset. This method is useful for certain vehicle configurations. It's absolutely vital to remember that you should always change your engine oil and filter asterisk before asterisk resetting the oil life light. Resetting the light without performing an actual oil change can lead to severe engine damage over time, as the system won't accurately reflect your oil's condition. Always refer to your GMC Yukon's owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions. This ensures proper vehicle maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.